You know something real about learning. Once you've got it, it's yours. No one can take it away. That matters more than most people realize. There were moments when it felt slow, like progress wasn't showing, but each step added something. A new skill, a new idea, a better way to solve a problem. Those things stayed. They didn't fade just because time passed or things got tough. And for you, every time you sit down to learn something, whether it's in a classroom, through a video, or just by trying, you're building something solid. It sticks with you. Doesn't matter if it's big or small. Once it's there, it's yours to use any time. No one can touch that. Not circumstances, not opinions, not setbacks. So even if it feels hard sometimes, keep going. You're doing something important. That effort counts. Every minute you spend learning is a win that stays with you. Just remember, every bit of knowledge you gain becomes part of what you can do next. And that's not something anyone can take from you. Sometimes waiting felt easier. Waiting for the right moment, the perfect setup, the clear sign. But nothing really changed by standing still. Things only started moving when action came first. There wasn't a clear starting point. No one said, "This is the right time." It just began with effort, with trying, with not knowing exactly what would happen, but showing up anyway. That's when things started to shift for you. It might feel like now isn't the best time. Maybe you're unsure or hoping for more clarity. But the truth is, the best time often comes after you take the first step, not before. Start small if you have to. Don't wait for motivation. Begin, even when it's quiet. Push forward, even when the goal feels far away. That choice to begin creates the change you're hoping to see. Every time you act, you're setting things in motion. You're not just hoping for the moment, you're making it happen. The sooner you move, the sooner things move with you. There was a time when following instructions felt like enough. Do what's told, finish the task, move on, but something changed. It became clear that learning should go beyond just copying steps. Understanding mattered more than memorizing. Asking why made a difference. Solving problems in new ways started to feel more useful than repeating answers. And for you, it's not just about knowing what to do, it's about thinking through why it works. When you learn that way, you're not stuck waiting for someone to tell you what comes next. You figure it out, you make choices, you adapt when things don't go as planned. That's the real purpose of training, not to shape people who only follow orders, but to help people think clearly, act with purpose, and improve on what they learn. So, if something doesn't make sense, question it. Try to understand it deeper. Don't settle for surface level. The goal isn't just to complete things, it's to grow your thinking. And the more you practice that, the more capable you become in any situation.